Hey y'all, it's Monday morning and I've decided that I'm gonna make Jell-O shot margaritas. You can see here I've got my triple sec, my cazadores, tequila, limes, water, salt, and my glasses. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pour 8 ounces of water into this measuring cup and go ahead and throw it into the microwave. So we have hot water for our Jell-O. And just throw it in for a couple of minutes. Shouldn't be that long. Okay, so now that our water is done boiling, we're gonna take it and pour it into this larger measuring cup. And don't let it cool down too much, but maybe just a little bit. So what we have here is regular unflavored gelatin, and we're only going to take a small 1 ounce pack of that and go ahead and pour it into the hot water. Make sure you get all of it. And now we're going to take our lime Jell-O and pour it into that gelatin water mix. Make sure we get all of that in there. Now you're just going to take a fork and mix that up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And you're going to let it cool down. Those chunks aren't really going to go away, but we're just gonna let that cool down a little bit. Since this is gonna take a little bit to cool down, I have already prepared a different mix ahead of time, so let's go ahead and get started on this one. Okay, so now you're gonna squeeze some lime juice into your mix. Make sure we get all of it. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of triple sec. I mean a lot of it. And now we're gonna add our cazadores tequila, straight from Mexico. Yeah, add 2 shots of that. Now I'm going to carefully strain the gelatin mix through here. We don't have a proper strainer right now because my mom decided she wanted to throw it away. So we're just going to strain here so we don't get those extra gelatin chunks in our mix. And once we're done straining, we're just gonna set that in the refrigerator. We're gonna set that in the fridge next to whatever you've got in there, your tortillas or whatever. Close that drawer. Now what you're gonna do is line your glass with lime. Excuse that background noise. Now you're gonna add some of this margarita salt. Line your cups, which they probably aren't gonna line right because that lime was trash and I'm balling on a budget. Alright, well, let's go in again with this one. This one probably did it a little bit better. Great, look at that. Now we lined our cups. And now that our gelatin has hardened all the way, we're gonna go ahead and slice into it. You're gonna go ahead and cut it into squares, or you can cut it however you want. I mean, it doesn't matter. But for this video, I'm just gonna cut squares or rectangles. It looks like it's turning into rectangles. Well, there you go. So you're gonna go ahead and cut that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these out of here. Open these up. Look at how nice they turned out. And as you can see, I'm just gonna throw them in our lined glasses. How nice. Now we're gonna take our lime to garnish our drink. And there you go. What do you think?
Delicious.
And there you go.